The market orientation model is a strategic framework that guides businesses in aligning their activities and strategies with the needs and preferences of their target market. It emphasizes a customer-centric approach to decision-making and strategy development, with the overarching goal of creating superior value for customers and achieving sustainable competitive advantage in the marketplace. At the core of the market orientation model are three key components: customer orientation, competitor orientation, and interfunctional coordination. Customer orientation is the foundation of the model. It involves a deep understanding of the needs, wants, and preferences of customers. Businesses with a strong customer orientation prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to develop products or services that meet or exceed customer expectations. This often requires extensive market research, customer feedback mechanisms, and a commitment to continuous improvement based on customer insights. By placing the customer at the center of their operations, businesses can better anticipate market trends, identify emerging opportunities, and build strong relationships with their customer base. Competitor orientation complements customer orientation by focusing on the competitive landscape. Businesses must closely monitor and analyze the strategies, strengths, and weaknesses of their competitors. This includes assessing competitor product offerings, pricing strategies, marketing tactics, and market positioning. By understanding the competitive environment, businesses can identify gaps in the market, differentiate themselves effectively, and develop strategies to outperform competitors. Competitor orientation also involves being proactive in responding to competitive threats and capitalizing on competitive weaknesses to strengthen the business's market position. Interfunctional coordination is essential for effectively implementing market orientation within an organization. It involves aligning various functions and departments, such as marketing, sales, product development, and customer service, toward a common goal of satisfying customer needs and outperforming competitors. This requires strong communication, collaboration, and teamwork across different parts of the organization. By breaking down silos and fostering cross-functional integration, businesses can streamline processes, improve decision-making, and enhance overall organizational effectiveness. Interfunctional coordination ensures that everyone in the organization understands the importance of market orientation and works together to deliver value to customers. In summary, the market orientation model provides a systematic approach for businesses to navigate the complexities of the marketplace. By embracing customer orientation, competitor orientation, and interfunctional coordination, businesses can develop a deep understanding of their target market, identify opportunities for growth, and position themselves for long-term success. Ultimately, the market orientation model empowers businesses to adapt to changing market conditions, innovate more effectively, and build strong, sustainable relationships with their customers.